Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna fuck with Satan on this beat.
I'm going to throw a Lucifer.
Hey, I got to. They call that nigga Lucifer. They call him the Black Angel. I'm just Christopher. You can't fuck with that shit. They call me Little Weezy Wayne on this fucking bitch. This nigga took me down a long dark crossroads. I took a left and that shit wasn't the best, so I went back to the right though. He was standing at the end of the stop sign like, what the fuck's up, yo? I said, look kid devil, I'm trying to give you a piece of my mind. You can fuck with me, I'll take a deal just to grind. They put me on that 7 for 14 bullshit. That shit wasn't right cause them bitches was all bitch. Now I'm trying to spit to something that ain't even my instrumental. Man, it's got my neck loosened up, got me feeling real fucking mental. Let my brother Cody on this bullshit. He might can tear the mic up like some real bullshit.
And it's detrimental at these fucking crossroads, just fucking with this motherfucking sinner. And I guess that I'm a sinner, but I'm gonna eat this chicken dinner, sell my fucking soul just to make 6 figures. I don't really give a fuck what the fuck you figure, cause I'm just doing me and I ain't getting nothing but bigger. So you best not try to pull that trigger, cause I'm gonna fucking duck and give you something to think about. Nigga, fuck you, because I'm on that fucking pentagram shit. I got them upside down crosses tattooed on my nutsack, and you can fucking suck it if you want a piece of that.
And I don't know if I could compete with that, cause that shit was spit so exquisite and illicit on all of that. But back to that devil digger, I don't give a fuck if he's red or blue or black. I'll fucking beat him up till he has a fucking asthma attack. That's why I don't fight back, I bust back. I put them clips in that gun and then I shoot up all of that.
What the fuck is hands, nigga? Just throwing bands, nigga. Fuck you if you fucking with that devil, cause I ain't trying to be no fucking friends with these fake niggas. And I got some fucking stomach acid lining in my stomach. Ate out from this devil shit. It's hot as hell in here, but this lava pit is filling me, and I'ma fill you up with some energy. Chris Wayne about to pick it up, cause he's got some fucking sinner shit to say.
Blue flowing through my bloods. My heart is black as an ace of spades. I'm fucking with these niggas, you fucking with a renegade. I'm a true buster boot. Fuck.